On the 26th of March 2021, two trains collided in the Tata district of the Sohag governorate in Egypt. 32 people were killed and at least 165 others were injured. The crash took place at relatively low speed, which resulted in two carriages being destroyed while a third overturned. The incident was initiated by an unidentified person intentionally triggering the emergency brakes. The following train did not stop, causing the collision. Egypt's railways have a record of poor maintenance and mismanagement. The Egyptian government's statistics have recorded nearly 11,000 accidents on rail lines between 2008 and 2017, including a high of 1,793 in 2017. In 2018, President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi stated that the country's government lacked the $14 billion United States dollars required to address all the problems within the rail system. The Egyptian Ministry of Transportation has said passengers in the front train, heading from Luxor to Alexandria, pulled the emergency brakes between the stations of El Maragha and Tata. This caused the train to come to a stop, where it was then hit from behind by a second train that was heading from Aswan to Cairo, which led to the destruction of two carriages and a third to overturn. 72 ambulances were dispatched to treat passengers. This article about disaster management or a disaster is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it. This Egyptian history-related article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.